Welcome to day 4. Today, we'll focus on cultivating gratitude to shift our mindset and bring more positivity into our lives. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's begin by placing one hand gently over your heart. Feel the warmth of your hand and the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. Take a moment to bring to mind something you are grateful for. It could be a person, an experience, or even something simple like the warmth of the sun or a comforting cup of tea. As you focus on this, notice the feeling of gratitude spreading through your body. Imagine it as a soft, glowing light in your chest. With each breath, feel this light expand outward, filling your entire body with warmth and positivity. Inhale deeply and exhale, letting the light grow brighter. Now, silently repeat these words. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. Repeat this a few times, letting the words sink in. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the feeling of gratitude and the light within you. Take another deep breath in, hold it gently, and exhale slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes and return to your day, carrying this feeling of gratitude with you. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Stillness is a powerful gift. It allows us to see clearly, to find peace amidst the noise, and to reconnect with what truly matters. Remember, you can return to this practice whenever you need a moment of clarity. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.